Congratulations! You have successfully completed our course. Now, you know how to create a full-stack application using the latest technologies such as Node.Js, Vue.js, Azure Functions, Azure SQL, Prisma, how to implement a dev container in your own project, and also you learned how to deploy for free our application using Azure Static Web Apps with GitHub Actions. In this final module, as I already said in the beginning, I will show you what are the next steps regarding knowledge about Azure SQL and Prisma. So here you will find the main resources, important resources and links. If you want to know a little bit more about, for example, Azure SQL, we have Prisma official documentation, Azure SQL documentation. But I highly recommend all of you here to do these two courses here. One is Build Serverless and Full Stack Applications in Azure. This is a free course inside the Microsoft Learn, so I highly recommend all of you here to, after this, to watch this video here, to do this free course in the Microsoft Learn. Also, we have a bunch of good videos, a beginner series to dev containers, a playlist videos about dev containers, so I highly recommend all of you here to understand a little bit more about dev containers. And finally, our GitHub repository with our code sample project. So if you want to see the whole project already done of there, so you can see in our GitHub repository. I would like to ask all of you to give a star or make some improvements, open issues, OPRs will be very welcome. So if you want to keep in touch with me, please, let's connect. I'm on several social medias, especially on Twitter, and make some live coding on Twitch. So if you want to know more updates about some updates about technology, so let's keep in touch. I'm especially on Twitter, but you can find me also on GitHub, LinkedIn, in my own YouTube channel, or even on Twitch. And again, thank you so much, and see you all in the next course.